之前都有喺大學度即係做過一啲即係反人口販賣嘅一啲 campaign 咯，即係喺香港呢一類嘅
of the goodness of God. I'm gonna sing, I'm gonna sing.
Hey Hong Kong friends, thanks so much for joining us in our virtual race. Our 2019 Race for Freedom was a huge success. You guys were a part of that. I want to continue to encourage you to be a voice May 1st as we take a stand to see an end to slave labor. Join us, business groups. We need you to partner your business. If you are a walker, a runner, a hiker, come out and be a part. You are making a difference. You're making an impact, one life at a time. We're so excited to share in the harvest together. Join us.